Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 is 1. Number 2 is 2. Number 3 is 3. Number 4 is 4. Number 5 is 5. Number 6 is 6. Number 7 is 7. Number 8 is 8. Number 9 is 9. Number 10 is 10. Number 11 is 11. Number 12 is 12. Number 13 is 13. Number 14 is 14. Number 15 is 15. Number 16 is 16. Number 17 is 17. Number 18 is 18. Number 19 is 19. Number 20 is 20. Number 21 is 21. Number 22 is 22. Number 23 is 23. Number 24 is 24. Number 25 is 25. Number 26 is 26. Number 27 is 27. Number 28 is 28. Number 29 is 29. Number 30 is 30. Number 31 is 31. Number 32 is 32. Number 33 is 33. Number 34 is 34. Number 35 is 35. Number 36 is 36. Number 37 is 37. Number 38 is 38. Number 39 is 39. Number 40 is 40. Number 41 is 41. Number 42 is 42. Number 43 is 43. Number 44 is 44. Number 45 is 45. Number 46 is 46. Number 47 is 47. Number 48 is 48. Number 49 is 49. Number 50 is 50. Now let me ask you some questions. What is your favorite number? Why do you like that number? You can write down in the comment section below. Okay, next question. This series is formed by adding two numbers to the previous number. Okay, so here 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14 plus 2 equals 16. 16 plus 2 equals 18. So 18 plus 2 equals 20. So the next number in this series is 20. Okay, next question. Okay, so now let's check how much you have learned. What is your favorite number? Write down in the comments section below. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want to enjoy more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with your friends and also give a like. And if you have any suggestions, then you can write down in the comments section below. Thank you. Bye-bye.